Frequency modulation is a frequency shift keying is a frequency modulation technique in which information is transmitted using two different carrier frequency. That is nothing but the first one is that the first carrier we have been transmitted as a high frequency, and second carrier we have been choosing it as a low frequency. And whatever the respective data, that is with respect to one represents a high frequency and 0 represents a lower frequency. With this one, what we are going to start with the first one, we have been taken it as a two carrier signal. One is that you got a higher frequency, another one you got a lower carrier frequency. And here, if you see the circuit diagram of a transmitter, what is it got? From the respective ASG, we should have to set what is it got a M of t, and you got a C1 of t, and you got a C2 of t from the respective ASG. And what we are doing is that here basically here in this one, the first one is that we have been taken it as your respective data signal. How it is 300 Hz. It is you got a 300 Hz, and you got a amplitude is of how much it is 10 volt. This one amplitude is of a 10 volt. What is it you got a amplitude is of a 10 volt. Is amplitude of you got a 10 volt this one. What I got a amplitude of you got a 10 volt this one, and frequency of this one, what I got a you got a 300 Hz. Frequency of you got a 300 Hz. Frequency of you got a 300 Hz, and amplitude of you got a 10 volt this one. Then we have to set two different carrier frequencies. That is nothing but here what I got a C1 of t, and you got a C2 of t. What is your C1 of t? That is nothing but here C1 of t is you got a respective 1.2 kilohertz. That is nothing but 1.2 kilohertz. 1.2 kilohertz, and amplitude of you got a what I got a 2. Here what I got a 2.4 this one. And similarly what I got here we have been what I got a 2 volt this one. And similarly what I got C2 of t is how much you got a 3 kilohertz. The frequency is how much you got a 3 kilohertz, and amplitude of you got a 2 volt this one. Amplitude of you got a 2 volt this one. Amplitude of you got a 2 volt. That one you should have to set it in the respective your respective in the CRO this one. Then what I got M of t, what I got a respective M of t. That is nothing but M of t you should have to give to, that is your respective M of t. That is nothing but M of t you should have to give it to here respective M of t. Then you got a respective C1 of t. That is nothing but your high frequency. That is nothing but it is C1 of t this one. C1 of t this one. And here you got a C2 of t this one. What is it got a respective C2 of t this one. Then you take the what is it got the respective FSK output this one. What is it got a respective FSK output of this one. FSK output of this one. What is it got a the respective FSK output of this one. What is it got a respective FSK output this one. What is it got? If you see here, this is your respective data signal will be there. What is it got? I am taking this one. What is it got? As I told, frequency shift keying is a frequency shift keying is a frequency modulation technique in which carrier signal is going to get to be transmitted with the two different carrier frequency. One for you got a lower frequency, one for you got a higher frequency. That is with the data 1. Here you got a data 1 with the high frequency. Data 1 with the high frequency, and for you got a lower frequency, what you got a you are got a for your 0 you got a lower frequencies. Wherever you got a denser output will be there what you got a, if you just see here what you got a, it is data 1, it is you got a data 0. Just see here 0 and you got a 1 this one. Next one you have to go further the demodulation of this one. You note it down the what you got the observation. What you got a here again what you got your respective amplitude of the modulating signal, and you got a frequency of the modulating signal, and then you got a frequency of you got a high frequency, amplitude of you got a first carrier signal, frequency of the first carrier signal, the amplitude of you got a second carrier signal, frequency of the carrier signal. Then you have to go for the demodulation, this one. As you know this one, the demodulation, again you have been using it as a, what is that you got a, your respective got a, in the frequency demodulation, actually what that you got here, in this one, what that you got, you have been using it as a, your, what is this one, coherent detection. It is nothing but you have been using it as a product modulator. That is, whatever the modulated signal you are getting, that one is going to get to be multiplied here. Then that one you have been passing through low pass filter. Then from the threshold, this one you have been recovering the your original data signal. And here from the FSK output, what that you got, demodulated output, what is that you got? Here also you have been using it as a, this one, what is that you got? If you just see here, here what is this one, your respective got a, your data signal, this is your respective data signal, and this will be the your respective got a demodulating signal, this one. If you just compare here, what will going to get, the same thing you will going to get it, this one. You note it down the amplitude of the demodulated signal and you got the frequency of the demodulated signal, this one. And here, this is the first channel, what I am doing is that I am connecting to got a modulating signal, and second one you got a demodulated. As you know this one, from the op amp, what have you got, plus VCC you have to give to the, this one, positive has to give to the plus VCC, and you got a plus VCC, then you got a negative has to give to this one, minus VE, and this one you have to make it as a both positive and negative shorted, and you have to make it as a common ground, this one. And here you have to make it as a P reference, this one. So in order to recover the your respective got a original data signal, you have to require minimum threshold should be required, this one. So this is about your respective got a frequency shift keying, this one.